Hello Terence and Paul, here's a video of the very nice and very new Alphard hybrid that we got. Today's date is the 21st of February, that's when I'm making this video. And for people who don't know, I'll just show you a little bit around it. So this is a 2020 November registered, so very late model, nearly new car. It's a Toyota-Alphard hybrid and the 30 series. It's the third generation of Alphard. And you can see, very clean. It's only done 10 kilometers, so it's a brand new car to all intents and purposes. Finished in pearl white, got all the usual features of privacy glass, a rear spoiler there, these new design rear tail lights, factory alloy wheels. I could go on about how nice it is, but it's obviously gonna be like that because it's brand new. So there's no surprise in that everything looks like it hasn't been used. That's because it hasn't been used. So you can see I've got the keys in my hand here. There's two smart keys, look like little cell phones, and it's got two power doors. If I hold the button down on that, that opens the side one. The rear door opens there. You may have noticed there the tail lights flashing sequentially. It's got sequential indicators there. And this side opens just here if I press this one. So inside it's got 7-seat configuration. These very nice, comfortable leather seats in the second row. We've got ottoman footrests, electronically controlled. Very nice finish on these late model Toyotas. They do look good. Cup holder there, table in the center. It's got a sunroof. In fact, it's got two sunroofs, big one in the back, smaller one in the front. Mood lighting, hard to see now, but this here, this strip here, this lights up different colors. Looks quite good at night, very impressive. Seats in the back as well, they fold up against the side, they are full leather. Airbags all down the side, there's one there, one in that pillar, and there's airbags in the front pillars as well. It's got the isofix points in the seat here, so you can fit a child seat to this seat. Go around the front here. This passenger seat's also got an ottoman footrest. So as per your request, Terence, I'll get the newspaper here. Sunday the 21st of February. So I've got the newspaper here, 21st of Feb. Here's the auction sheet with the chassis number there, AYH30 0117515. Here is the car chassis plate, same number, AYH30 0117515. All together as you wanted to see. Now here's the auction sheet for the car. So you can see it's R2, that's Reiwa 2, that means 2020 and 11th month November. It's Alphard hybrid, 5-door wagon, sunroof, C package, 4-wheel drive. It's a 2.5 petrol engine, but it's also got a hybrid system. 4 kilometers there. Unfortunately, I've had to drive it, so it's now got 10 kilometers on it, and it was registered in the town of Kanazawa before. And its sales points there should say the grade is S, which means Shin Kosha in Japanese, which means a new car. Auction debut, dual power slide doors, push start. They haven't gone to town listing the features, but there's a lot more things on it than that. It says display audio there, and this section here just says the car is stored at the auction in an off-site location. It's not a big problem because you're buying a new car, so it's no problem there. And we do know that the carpet mats have never been installed in this car, so we've got to find some of those, price them up, which I will do. You can see in the mats still got a nice carpet, which is the floor base carpet, but there are mats which fit over the top of those as well, which are available. Now, as I mentioned, there's a lot of spec on this car, different things. Power back door I've just mentioned there. In here there's storage compartments under the floor. There's the headrest there. This headrest clicks into here if you need it. If I come around here, you can see all the steps are immaculate. They've not been used, that's why. It's nothing. It's not that amazing to have a brand new car that looks brand new, really. Electric driver's seat as well. Really nice leather finish. I jump in the driver's seat, got the key in my hand, switch the car on, everything lights up. There we go. You can see 10 kilometers now. So just a quick run through the specs. So you can see there, heated and air conditioned front seats, electric parking brake, different modes for the hybrid system, EV mode, etc. Climate control throughout. Put it into reverse. It's got a back camera there. The doors can also be controlled up here. If I want to close that door, just press that. The back door. There we go, there's the back door. And this one here as well. And the sunroof's electric, you can see that opening there. Big help, that sunroof, makes it quite bright in the back. And this one, as usual, just a pop-up type one. So it's got on here as well cruise control. This is radar controlled cruise, so this button here allows you to set the distance from the car in front of you, and the car will just follow that car. If it slows down, it will slow you down. If it speeds up, it will speed up to the speed that you've set it on the cruise control. Now look at this here, this is all in English. It's been changed into English. You can see the language set in English, which is useful. It's Bluetooth compatible, phone, got a lot of things. Very useful and bang up to date. Heated steering wheel. You can switch the power doors off. This is auto main beam, so when the car detects it's in a very dark road, it automatically switches on the main beam. You can turn that off though. Press that, it turns it off. Drinks holder there. Very nice finish how these work. There's not a lot to see under the bonnet, but we'll have a look anyway. So a hybrid there. Got this 2.4, 2.5 engine. Very, very reliable. Used in loads of Toyotas. They use this all across the range. As you can see, it's very, very clean. Which is only 10 kilometers, so it will be. Now, this is going to be shipped out when it's eligible for the UK, which is a couple of months away, 2-3 months away, as it's not yet 6 months old, and we're going to look after it up until then. So I hope you're going to like it, Terence, and anyone else interested in something like this, contact myself or Paul Bowden at Jap-Auto-Agent, and we'll see what we can find for you. Thanks very much for watching.
We are a UK-based personal car import agent trading since 2004. We have a proven track record supplying thousands of Japanese cars direct from Japan to customers throughout the UK. Working as your appointed agent for a fixed commission, we provide a 4-step personal car import service. This is an opportunity to cherry pick and safely buy the best high-grade, low-mileage cars direct from Japanese car auctions at export trade prices for personal import to the UK. You will make large savings on UK retail prices while buying the best quality cars available in Japan. It's a genuine win-win opportunity. Before the auction starts, background checks and hands-on inspection are carried out by the Japanese staff. Under Japanese law, any accident history or mileage discrepancy must be declared by the auction and shown on the auction report. The truth is, the best cars normally stay in Japan. They are bought by Japanese dealers for resale because the best cars will pass a strict Japanese roadworthy test, known as a shaken. Shaken failures are seen in Japan as fits for recycle or export. Many turn up in the UK without the auction report to maximise the dealer's profit margins. So it's vital to see a genuine translation of the auction report before the sale starts. Once we have found a particular car, we next arrange our hands-on inspection to confirm the condition matches the auction report and take a large number of photos. Keep in mind, we are not car dealers buying and selling for profit. Why supply bad cars when it's just as easy to supply a great car from the fountain of supply and simply keep adding to our long-established superb track record? Check out our customer reviews or head to our YouTube channel found on our website to see the quality of the cars we supply. To learn more, pick up the phone and speak to us direct without obligation. Ask for Paul. Telephone 01625 560 505 or on mobile 07989 560 505. Our email sales@Jap-Auto-Agent.com.